So you're an artist? Yeah. Are you good at it?
Alright guys, you got your window blinds installed. What do you do if this handle is too long? Do you just leave it? Let it hang out? Or should I trim it? Yes, we're going to use the plush cut saw, otherwise known as oscillating saw, and trim it down, and then I'll show you how to reattach the end cap. Okay, so I use 1/8 inch drill bit for that hole, making sure it's same size as this, transferring it onto here. Now when you trim this handle, because it was too long, I have to take a piece of sandpaper, because these edges are rough. Sand that down really good, and then drill your 1/8 inch hole, and then this little end cap has some tabs on it. Those tabs will fit into the 1/8 inch hole when you push it up in there. So now that I've done the plush cut, I've drilled the 1/8 inch hole after I've shortened it, and that hole is now good for the end cap. What's the point of the end cap? So it's no longer sharp, it's a rounded edge. So anyone who goes to adjust these blinds doesn't cut themselves. And there you go, that's how you trim your blinds handle.
Okay, let's go.